So guys, finally heading out to probably Candolim. I don't want to go to Baga. Baga has too much unwanted crowd and uncles dancing in bunions. But Candolim is showing a little too far. So let's see how long will take. Peaceful. I put my helmet mount and we thought we were going to rest, but no, we want to see beaches. Wanted to go that side Morjim, but that will go anyways. We'll go. We are going tomorrow. So enjoy. I'll be going through Para Road. I'll show you guys. Now only we have to go to that. Yeah. Oh wow. What is this? Oh, very nice. Fancy. Yeah, we can come here for dinner tomorrow. Huh? Oh wow. Sorted. This is mini Para Road, guys. Check it out. That is the actual Para Road. This is mini Para Road. See? Oh, I've just wear my worn my visor. So came to the main road. The next hunt is the petrol bunk. Do one thing. Can you search for in that maps petrol pumps? I'm just telling Unnati because it's been ages I've come this side. I always go towards Morjim Ashram side. This side it's nice to explore for me also after a long time. So let's see. So we just asked for a petrol bunk. We're searching where it is. So sir, इसी रोड पे है ना, राइट साइड पे? 2 किलोमीटर में. Okay, thank you. So just ask for a look at that house, guys. Straight. Wow. And there's something lit up beautifully there. I think it's a bar, man. That's a bar. Oh wow, all Christmas lit up. Beautiful. Christmas has its own vibes here. It's Christmas time, it's beautifully lit up, guys. And finally found a petrol bunk on the right. Very nice. And there's a church there. So waiting for fuel. How much is the petrol here? Petrol is around 96. Wow. So 300 should do. So it is 96 here. Fuel is 96. So time to go. This is done. Hold on. Check that out here. Temple. Oh, riders. Nice. Super. All classic boys. Feels good. Oh, check this out. Wow. Christmassy feels. We should come to Goa, dude. Christmas. Avoid in New Year's, but Christmas is very good. Beautifully lit up everywhere. Pure veg. Wow. Look at that liquor store. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow, this is Candolim, guys. Wow. Woohoo! Beautiful. Very nice. Different school, Candolim. this is Candolim, proper Candolim. The beach is around a kilometer ahead. I think it's after Mango Tree. Not Mango Tree, Mango Groove. Yeah. So peaceful. I guess that after that one field that we get into big right away. Okay, let's see. The brakes are a little loose on this. थोड़ा संभाल के चलना पड़ेगा. संभाल के. I just don't want to get the lights off. Candolim this time is beautiful, beautiful. It's been a while I've come here. It's so well lit up. Wow, wow, that's a very nice place. The places here are worth it, guys. Not like that Anjuna, not worth it. So this one beautiful place. So phone got switched off, so I had to put it to that. Look at this, all foreigners. Okay, so we reached the beach. We need to park and then go. I don't know where this parking is. Let's see. It's been, oh man, it's changed. Club Mahindra. Oh. It's changed a lot, guys. Changed a lot. Wow, where is the parking here? Crazy. Crazy.
और वो डाउट्स और पैनिक होता है.
Where is the parking?
मेरे को इंडिविजुअलिटी
Pay parking, okay. Oh, that's the beach, by the way. Finally entered the beach. So this is the entry. You can start seeing the shacks from here. God, it's changed so much. It was like nothing. Probably 5-6 years back here it begins. A lot of shacks. This is what we wanted. Beach, I'll show you finally. Crazy, guys. Finally, beach. Oh. Wait, Babu, wait, 1 second. That's where we're sitting. Jackson's Beach Cafe. I hope I don't fall in the beach. Candolim Beach, my all-time love. It's beautifully alive, not like Baga. I hate Baga. Baga is you come with family or a couple, stick to Candolim Beach. Vibes are awesome here. I don't know how long this will be open, but time is 9:20, 7:20, 9:20. Finally, beach. Beautiful couple setting, guys. Enjoying the vibes, enjoying looking at the beach. Beautiful. Lovely. God bless you. Stop. So vibe here, it's amazing. Christmas from Candolim, and there's the crib. It's almost ready. So beautiful time it was, for sure. And got my baby here, so I'll take him, go explore more. No any such plans. Just go pick up the bike and get out. I'll show you where. Starting off from Candolim. No plan as such. Plan is to go to Mango Tree, Mango Groove. But we'll explore some and then go. Let's see. There's a parking lot. A beautiful crib done here. So if you can see, one they were arranging the time, but it's done. So let's go. This is a parking lot, and This is Candolim for you. This is what time is around 9:43 and look at the crowd. You still have people here and it's a beautiful family crowd. Streets lit up and this is filled with foreigners. See? See? See this guys. Beautiful, beautiful. There are a lot of places to shop. हाँ बहुत है. तो कल देख ले. कल इधर ही आएंगे. Look at it. Look at it. And look at this. Everywhere it's happening. Beautiful. It's not on the beach, guys. Mind it. It's on a Candolim Beach Road. Hey, look. It's a fine dine for sure. Nice. See? You want to see something here? Let's go one round and come back. ठीक है? हाँ. Look at this. Look at this. Very nice. So I will take you to Cinquarium. I'm on Candolim. This is the one. Beautiful vibe. Check it out. Wow. See, this is just the starting. There are lots here. And this is just the start of the road. So guys, what I'm telling you here is, you just come here. It's the next level. I'm telling, this is where we'll go for dinner. It is superb. Mango Grove. This is like epic place.
Let's have it.
We'll go? Yeah.
Wow, so
This is what, I don't know, beautiful. I'll tell you the name exactly. Yeah, that's the one. So let me just get into this and tell you guys. So guys, this is the place, Bending Bamboos. Amazing Candolim. See, there's a beautiful Christmas tree here. It's an amazing place to be when you're here on Christmas. Candolim always gives this vibe, guys. It's brilliant. I'm in love with this.
Tell my lips, to tell my fingertips, they won't be reaching out for you no more. Don't tell my heart, my ache and breaking heart, I just don't think you understand.
This is West Spring Roll and my all-time favorite after watching Karanveer Mehra and Big Boss. Awesome, nice. And Karanveer Mehra, we're rooting for you. Just have a sense of humor like me always. So yeah, guys. So vibe here, guys. Candolim rocks. It's like trending, amazing place. It's a must visit in Candolim. Oh, these live performances are next level, guys. They are like just too good. It's a beautiful place. So you have Mango Grove there, then you have this Jambal and Bending Bamboos, and then you have this. This is one more happening place. I'll just show you a little bit of more of Candolim and then no more. That's it. You will love it. Another bit of Candolim starts. Wow. See, this is like the Baga deck. Look at this place. And then after a point, Cinquarium starts. So till then, enjoy. This is beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, you have to come here. Friends, family, whatever, come here. This whole street is most happening than any of your Baga streets. Trust me, I'm shouting. See, even at this point, what is the time? Almost 11. Still, everything is available. Shopping, see, everything is there. Again, see? Wow. Look at this. Friends, bar and restaurant. Yeah, it's so like bar and restaurant everywhere in Goa. That's the best part. Hyatt Place, you have this also. Plus, there's a Taj as well as your Kingfisher Villa, which was a Kingfisher Villa. I don't know now. I will show it to you guys soon. I'll call museum also here on Candlelim, so must visit, guys. Why I stopped here is there's a museum, then there's your Radisson right here, plus Hayat that I just showed you guys. So my suggestion is, if you guys want to chill in such places, come to Candlelim Street. You have everything here. Radisson is here. So beautiful, guys. You will love it. Trust me. I haven't never covered this much of Candlelim, but it, like I always told you, it's an addictive thing, and I always love this place. So once I start here, I'll not stop. So that's the problem. But yeah, Candlelim, guys, is a must visit. See, you have Mikey's place here also, which is there in South Goa, and there's this big mouth. Wow, everything is amazing. And it's not like only non-veg, you have pure veg. This place was called Stone House and it's changed to something. Same place? Stone House, wow. You have live musicians everywhere in Candlelim. Vibe is next level, guys. Trust me. Check this out, guys. Beautiful church. Sorry, I have to look ahead, but beautiful. Wow. Curry house. Nice.
पता है ऐसे में ना मैं पीछे बैठी हूँ ना मैं तुम्हारी
Sink club, casino, like this is all on land. This is not Sink club, night club. There's a swimming pool inside and all, but not worth it, guys. See, it was actually supposed to be a resort, but yeah. See, vibe everywhere. Well, this is after a point, it's gone. So nice. Enjoy. This is the beautiful church, Cape. Nice, Cape.
Capella Genosa.
Cappella di Nossa. Beautiful. See this? Nice. What is this? Wow. Something or other keeps popping up in Candlelim, guys. Wow. Amazing. Keep it up. So, guys, finally, I am coming to Mango Grove. The place I wanted to go. And the place, it is the best. Where did it go? What do I want? I want mango tree! Mango Grove, sorry. Mango tree is in Vagator, I know. So let's go. And I'm here. Finally. Yes. Finally, my lovely place. I love this place. My most favorite of it all. My favorite. Finally here.
Guide me na where to sit.
Come sit anyway. This is like the best place ever for cocktails and food. So yeah, let's sit. Unfortunately, they're closed. So good thing 11:15. I missed the time. So probably I head to Baga. What else? Probably Baga Road has a lot of places. Let's go. Let's explore. Check it out here. Huh? Everything is still alive. And that guy was like, oh, everything is closed. And look at the church, guys. Yes, look at the church ahead. Look at the church. And this is Newton Supermarket. Punjabi kitchen. And look at the church. Wow, awesome. Superb. So guys, this is Baga Beach ka road. Straight we go is a highway. But look, there's a temple here also, beautiful. See. Nice, very nice. And then I'll be going to the Baga road. That, if you say, is happening, this is the next level. But this is like too much of crowd. Like, you will get really annoyed here. For sure. So, enjoy what I can show you. I'm trying to show you. See. Okay. Rider on the storm. This is the first time we had gone to Cafe Coffee Day here. Somewhere here. I'll show you. Nice, nice. So Baga Circle and then right. Yes. So this is the Baga Road. There's a church here, and then there's McDonald's. This road you can come any time of the night or day. It is open, 24 hours. Also shopping also is available. McDonald's. Everything is here. Everything is here. You may see it everywhere is there. This is where Simha and all stay. Two roads, one cross there is Auntie's place. Frankie's it's called. Simha. Guys, this is the world famous Tito's Lane, and anywhere you go here, this is such a famous place. This is such a, it's from 1960s. It was a very small place, and trust me, 2007 or 2005 we came here. Look at how big it's become. Bharat's Cafe, epic. This is the famous Tito's Lane. Enjoy. This is the Tito's Lane, 24 hours open. And now you get Britos and other bit. And then you get your Garage Cafe, Royal Enfield, and all of that with the Baga River. So guys, going to Baga River, you know what this place is. Salt, and then you get hammers. So yeah. If I'm not wrong, this is salt. Am I right? No, Baga 24. It's called Pineapple Villa. I can't see pineapples anywhere, but this is some proper Goan villa. It's like peaceful. This is bang opposite Baga River, next to your Garage Cafe. So just chilling here, having dinner and then heading home to sleep. Yeah, just one good thing this has been done. Chicken Alfredo pasta. I'm sure it's going to be bland. Amazing food, Baga River side. Nice. Pineapple Villa. Very good. The guy was funny though, but it's okay. Anyways, very good food. Pasta was superb. Now time is to go sleep, guys. So I don't think I'll cover anymore. Let me just get back home. Guys, check this out, another church, beautifully lit up. So, wow, nice, see? Very nice. So we are back to the place where it is open 24 hours. So, and then take a left, this is somewhere near Radham India, if I'm not wrong. Guys, check this out. A beautiful church. Whoa, amazing, 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 amazing. Check this out, check this out, check this out, check this out. Wow, 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 wow. उसको पूरा अर्जेंट है भाई. Guys, check it out, this church. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. There's something happening there. I don't know what is that, but yeah. Look at this. Nice. That was the end of part 2 of yesterday's vlog. That was the first bit of exploring Goa's nightlife, and we went to Candolim. It was brilliant. Candolim se we came to Baga and then crashed, so couldn't close the vlog. So there was some delay, because of which I thought I'll put in the morning and the evening. Didn't happen. It got first vlog got uploaded in the evening, so tomorrow morning I'll be putting up the vlog, and 21st ka vlog will be tomorrow evening or next day. So let's see how it goes. So part 2 is coming. This is the part 2 that you guys watched. Hope you guys liked it. Whoever hasn't subscribed to my channel. Whoever hasn't liked the, once you view it, like it, guys. That means a lot. Okay, I tend to see those things, Whoever hasn't subscribed also are watching, so please subscribe, guys. It means a lot. Subscribe and always like it. Thank you so much. Take care for continue the support. Love you all. Bye bye. See ya.